In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove message button on Facebook. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do to be able to remove the message button on Facebook is to head over to Messenger. On the Messenger app, go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen and click on the settings icon in this area. Clicking on that settings icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen, will take you to the settings section of Messenger. So go ahead and click on that. Now in this section, go ahead and click on privacy and safety, and this will take you to the privacy and safety settings. And here, go ahead and click on message delivery. You'll find this under the who can reach you section, and this will take you into this section. Make sure that you set friends of friends on Facebook, people in your Facebook groups, and others on Messenger or Facebook to don't receive requests to be able to disable the message button on your profile once someone who isn't your friend visit your profile. This will disable the message option for those users who aren't your friends on Facebook. And that is how you can simply disable the message button on your Facebook profile.